Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here, and in this video I wanted to show something that falls into the DeFi, the decentralized finance category in crypto, and that is Qutom GP over here. Hydrogen power at its very best. The Qutom power sectional upgrade now allows individual energy traders to participate independently, removing some of the previous obstructions that we had along the way. Now, I will show you the app and how it looks like and how to get things started in here in a second. But as always, you know that nothing in here is financial advice. I'm simply showing you what I found that you might like, with the links to everything in the description down below. Just recently, there are a couple different updates. For example, now XRP is finally available in their system as well in order to get things started. And they have this post over here. They're pleased to share the outstanding results of their annual evaluation process, which it showed that 70% of their power holders who initially began their journey advanced to the GP trade, and pictures were taken on their Green Energy Summit for Greener Earth in Frankfurt in Germany, for which they say this significant achievement marks a pivotal milestone, affirming the continued strength and appeal of the industrial GB as the most purchased energy slot with our entire system. There are three different options for, you can say yield farming, you can say investment option over here, in which there is the residential GP trade Qutom, the public GP trade Qutom, and the industrial GP trade Qutom, which simply means that for a duration of 5, 7, or 21 days, you can get started in here with a daily gain of 2%, 3% in the middle, or 5% on the right. So if you were to put in the $100 on the right, tomorrow it's 105, then 110 plus some extra, and that just grows more and more over time. Last thing before I show you the website in detail, they also had a heartfelt appreciation message to everyone who attended their sectional upgrade conference, who simply talked about that they even exceeded their initial goals and prediction of 70% after 80%, making energy something that grows more and more over time, which is where they positioned themselves in. And I always thought when it comes to technology, if you combine a growing sector in real life, like real world assets, mixed with crypto and allow people to yield farm with them and allow them to gain percentages along the way as well, then it's a win-win for everybody as you grow together. Now in this case over here, I had 3,000 deposited initially in my funding wallet. And then I head over to the yields over here and use the public GP trade Qutom. I had it in there for a little while. Simply click on Purchase GP, select your account, and this gets funding. I just went with everything. You get 3% daily, happens 7 times, and then you can see how much you'd gain on that basis, which means, let's say I want to split it across all three and you have $3,000 as well. You would simply type in 1,000 and then hit stake now with the button. And the money that I made from there is from my spot auction over here, the 630, which can then be withdrawn over here. I will show you how to withdraw in a second. But first, how do you deposit money? How do you get it started? Fairly simple. On the deposit amount, you select your gateway on how to put money in. You can use Bitcoin, USDT on Ethereum, ETH itself, XRP, a bank deposit, or on the Qutom chain, USDC or USDT, or also USDC on Ethereum. Let's say you would go with Bitcoin. If you hold some, you would enter the amount, with the minimum being $400 and the maximum nearly infinite with 100 million. But keep in mind, minimum is 400 USD. Let's say you have 0.1 BTC lying around. You would hit the amount and then either scan the code over here or simply copy the address. Always make sure to copy, not to type it yourself. Same for ETH. You will just simply get a different depositing address that you can send the money to, and it will then show up in your dashboard in your account. Now, once you use that and you use any of these yield farms over here, you have your money locked in and make some money. You can click on withdraw on the left-hand side. And on there, when you click withdraw method, it doesn't show you anything yet because you have to add it manually in the top right. Withdraw account, add new account, and then for your method, select any of these over here, which means if you were to go with Ethereum, for example, click on that, paste in your address over here, and then on the right side, add new withdraw account, which then means on the withdrawal section, if we go back, we will find Ethereum USD, as that was the name of our account. It tells you it takes about 10 minutes and a minimum of $400 that has to be used, not just for the deposit, but also for the withdrawal. In my case, because I make $630 that I have in my spot wallet, and I want to send that to my funding wallet, if we tap in 630 over here, there's no charge. Proceed to swap. It will then tell you that this happened successfully. You can then click on withdraw, enter your full amount, hit withdraw money, and then the recursive successfully sent. This only takes a couple of minutes or so. As mentioned, you know, sometimes the blockchain is congested, so it could take a little longer, but simply click on that, and it will happen, get sent to you. I will leave links to everything in the description down below, so you can make sure to follow them, like their stuff as well, and stay up to date. But this is something where you don't have to do much at all. It simply grows over time, and all you need is your money in there. So you deposit, let it grow, do nothing, and done. AI and green power is one of the hottest sectors, not just in crypto, but when it comes to companies in general. So you will probably hear about this more and more over time, and then why not be along for the journey and profit with them? Links down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.